Hey there! Want to know what FP&A professionals do? Why it is one of the most rewarding careers in finance? Well, let me tell you this in this FP&A, which is Financial Planning and Analysis video. FP&A or Financial Planning Analysis is the heart of the company strategy. They are the ones who help businesses make smarter financial decisions, predict future outcomes, and navigate uncertainties. Exciting, right? In today's video, we'll be breaking down what exactly is FP&A, what they actually do, what skills they need, and even some career tips to get you started in the field. I'm Ganesh Nayak, founder of Intelligence, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more finance career video like this one. Now let's get into the video. Let us start with the basics. What exactly is FP&A? FP&A stands for Financial Planning and Analysis. This role focuses on analyzing companies' financial, creating forecasts, and providing strategic recommendations that help improve a company's performance. Essentially, they turn numbers into meaningful insights that guide key decision makers like CEO and CFO of the company. FP&A professionals, they work closely with different departments. Like for example, you have accounting team, senior management, treasury team, operations team, everybody. They make sure that all the parts of the business are aligned with the financial goal of the business. This is a vital role that helps companies navigate its financial futures even in turbulent times. What does FP&A professionals actually do? Let's dive in their actual day-to-day work. And trust me, it's a lot more interesting than you might think. FP&A professionals have several key responsibilities. Number one, budgeting and forecasting. They help business predict where they are headed financially and also create detailed budgets for each department. Number two, variance analysis. This is all about comparing actual results to the planned one and finding out why there is a difference. It is like solving a financial mystery. Number three, financial modeling. They use tools like Excel to build models that predict what is going to be the future financial outcome based on a variety of scenarios. Number four, supporting decision making. They provide financial insights that help leadership make informed decisions like whether to launch a particular product or enter into new market. Number five, scenario planning. They prepare for an unexpected events. What happens if the economy takes a downturn or even if regulation goes into play? All of these is considered by FP&A professionals. Look at this real world example. Imagine FP&A professional creating a financial model to assess if launching a new product is financially feasible. They also predict what is going to be the revenue, what is going to be the expense, and how the product would impact the company's bottom line. Skills required for FP&A roles. If you're thinking about diving into the FP&A profession, here are the quick skill guide that can help you and you should master in your entire journey. First, let us talk about the hard skills. Advanced Excel. Now, this is the bread and butter of FP&A professional. You will need to know how to create financial model, use pivot tables, and how to analyze data using Excel. Second is data visualization. There are a lot of tools available in the market like Power BI, Tableau, which will help you to turn raw numbers into visual, which can help you to tell compelling stories to senior management. Third, financial knowledge. You need to have a very strong understanding of the entire accounting principles, financial statements, and important ratios and metrics like EBITDA, return on equity, and cash flow. There are few FP&A softwares which are also widely used in the market like SAP. So you need to be familiarized with them and you need to help to streamline the FP&A process also. Let us go into the soft skill, which is number one, analytical thinking. You'll have to analyze a lot of data. So your ability to think critically and to solve problem is going to be key. Number two, communication skill. You'll need to explain complex financial data to non-financial stakeholders. So being able to communicate clearly is very, very important for you. Number three, teamwork. FP&A professionals do not work in isolation. They work with multiple departments, multiple teams, and they have to work in collaboration with others. Now we know about the skill set. Let us talk about the few tools and technologies which are widely used in the FP&A professionals. The right tool can make a very big difference in your entire FP&A journey. So let us talk about the one which is most important. Excel, still the most widely used tool in the industry for financial modeling and data analysis. You need to know the advanced version of it. FP&A softwares like Adaptive Insights, Workday, Anaplan, all of them are designed specially keeping in mind that companies have to do the financial planning and analysis. There are a few data visualization tools which I've already talked about like Power BI and Tableau, which can help you to convert numbers into story. These are also very, very important. Some companies use ERP systems like SAP, Oracle. They are also there because they connect financial information of the organization with your financial analysis tool. Technology has made FP&A more data-driven than ever before, and hence making this space very, very exciting to be in. Now, the most important question, how to start a career in FP&A? You're probably wondering that if I'm a college graduate or a working professional, how should I start my career in FP&A? First, focus on getting a right education. The first step to having a strong foundation in finance, accounting, economics, or something related will give you an edge. A bachelor's degree is typically required, but if you're aiming for more advanced roles, certification like CFA or a certified financial planning professional can make a very big difference. Entry-level roles. You can kickstart your journey if you're a college fresher by starting and getting into a junior FP&A positions, which generally start out as a financial analyst role. These roles will help you to get into the basics clear, understand the tools properly, and get the necessary experience that is needed. Next is networking and learning, which is very, very important. Connect with fellow FP&A professionals on LinkedIn, on webinars, on seminars. Talk to prospective people who can get internship opportunities, or you can give internship opportunities to everybody else. Continuous learning is the key in this field because the modeling, the data techniques, and everything is changing with technology. So you have to constantly upgrade your skills. Why should you choose FP&A? Here are the few reasons. First, career growth. FP&A professionals often move into the high roles like CFO or strategy head. It's a path that can lead you to the leadership roles in finance. Second, high demand. The demand for FP&A professionals is growing globally, and especially as more and more businesses are coming to India and they need people who can give financial insights, FP&A is becoming more and more relevant. Third, and very, very important, this role is an impactful role. You're not just crunching numbers. You're talking to the decision makers and you're trying to decide what is going to be the company's future strategy, which makes you a very, very impactful in the organization. To wrap things up, FP&A is an exciting, fast-paced career that combines finance, strategy, and technology. If you love working with numbers, analyzing data, or making a real impact on business decision, FP&A could be a perfect career for you. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, and if you're ready to kickstart your FP&A career, make sure you join our community link, which is given in the description box. Thank you for watching. Catch you up in the next video.